Most people never master skills, and it's not because they're lazy. You've tried reading, watching tutorials, copying experts, but months go by and you're still stuck at square one. Why? Because most people learn the wrong way, wasting time on stuff that doesn't actually stick. Yep, staring at a book won't magically beam knowledge into your brain. First, the Pareto Principle. 80% of results come from 20% of your effort. That means most of what you're doing is useless. Stop spending hours on things that don't matter. Identify the critical 20% that actually moves the needle and focus there. For example, if you want to learn drawing, instead of practicing 50 random techniques, focus on the 10 that improve your art fastest. Or learning guitar, master the 10 chords that are used in almost every song, rather than wasting months on every single chord in existence. Nope, scrolling TikTok while trying to learn piano is not part of that 20%. Quick one, if this is already helping you, please subscribe. It supports the channel more than you think. Next, the Feynman Technique, Richard Feynman's secret to mastering anything. Learn it, then teach it to someone else, even if it's a 5-year-old or your cat. Explaining it exposes gaps in your knowledge, forcing you to truly understand the concept rather than just memorize words. You can also write it down in your own words, draw diagrams, or even create simple analogies. If you can simplify it, you've mastered it. If your cat falls asleep, congratulations, you found a knowledge gap. You can also pretend your stuffed animal is a student. Works surprisingly well. Finally, deliberate practice. Don't just repeat what's easy. Focus on the hard, uncomfortable parts, the things that make you mess up. Mozart didn't become a legend by playing easy notes. He practiced the hard parts over and over until they became effortless. The key is to measure your progress, record yourself, time yourself, track mistakes. This helps you know what to focus on next. And yes, crying into your sheet music is optional but very relatable. Here's a bonus tip. Break skills into smaller chunks. Don't try to master the entire piano song at once. Learn one section, then the next. This makes your brain retain faster. Also, practice consistently in short bursts rather than cramming. 30 to 45 minutes daily beats 5 hours once a week every time. Now, combine all three. Focus on the vital 20%, practice the tough stuff deliberately, and explain it to someone else, or your cat. Repeat consistently. Your brain will start learning faster, retaining more, and you'll actually master skills instead of just kinda knowing them. It's like turning your brain into a skill-hungry sponge, minus the weird smell. For example, learning guitar. Don't try 50 songs at once. Pick 10 essential chords, focus on tricky transitions, and explain them to someone else, or your cat. Add variation too. Play the chords in different sequences, improvise, or try different songs. This strengthens your understanding and adaptability. Weeks later, you're playing like a pro, not just strumming randomly. Your cat may still judge your strumming, but that's motivation. Another practical tip, use spaced repetition. Review what you've learned after a day, a week, then a month. This cements it into long-term memory. Combine this with deliberate practice and teaching. It's a triple boost to your learning speed. Start today. Pick one skill, apply Pareto, Feynman, deliberate practice, and spaced repetition, and watch your progress skyrocket. Mastery isn't magic, it's strategy. Your future self will high-five you, if they're not busy learning something else too. If this helped you learn faster, please subscribe for more practical videos.